Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to this Mavin review. We are going to be taking a close look at Mavin, and also, most importantly, I've actually put together some high value custom bonuses to get you the best results with Mavin. This is my bonus page, and you find the link to this page in the description of this video. Mavin goes live on the 27th of October by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So Mavin is a cloud-based traffic software, and this allows you to drive some high-quality traffic ultimately to any link that you decide to drive traffic to, be it affiliate product, be it any other link or any other website you want to send some high-quality targeted traffic to. Now, how does Mavin work? It allows you to hijack content from authority websites. All you need is the link to this content. All you need is just the link to the content you are trying to hijack. Just get the link and come and paste it in the cloud-based members area, in the Mavin cloud-based members area, and it allows you to actually read this content and actually repurpose this content. This does not require content creation. This doesn't require you to actually sit down to write this content yourself. You can actually hijack this content that's actually proven, to get people's attention, and actually does very well online because people are actually relating with this content. So you can actually grab this content. Now, not only that, you can actually make this article unique just by hitting the one-click rewrite button. So you can actually spin this content to make this article unique. Now you can actually add links within this article. Now you can add links, add your own affiliate links and stuff like that to this article. You can also add images. You get access to add images from Pixabay and even other sources to this article to even make it more unique. And then you can actually publish these articles and also start driving some high quality traffic to this article. Now, I've put together some traffic bonuses for you to actually 10x the traffic that you're going to get using the Mavin cloud-based software. Because not only are you going to be able to get, traffic from search engines, you wouldn't even have to wait a minute to get traffic with this, to get traffic to your articles with the traffic bonuses that I'm actually going to be giving to you. So right now I'm going to show you through my bonuses, and I'm also going to let you see how Mavin works. So my first bonus, I'm going to be giving you access to a full funnel of a traffic software. Now this comes with done for you product reviews. Now there's one cool thing about reviews, review articles, review videos, review pages and bonus pages like this. One of the cool things about this is it actually caters to people who are looking to buy. They have money in hand, they are doing research about this, and the review actually gives them a whole complete information about this product, which ultimately drives them to making purchases. Now you are going to be getting access to done for you product reviews with bonuses on these pages. Done for you product reviews from ClickBank, from Warrior Plus, with bonuses that are actually geared towards making people take action. Now all you need to do is go and get your ClickBank affiliate ID, which is essentially your ClickBank username. Come and paste it in the cloud-based software, and then boom, you are good to go. All these done for you product reviews become active with your own affiliate link. Now all the upgrades of this product, you are going to be getting access to OTO 1, OTO 2, OTO 3, and OTO 4. You are going to be getting access to all these upgrades for the Octagon software. And you also get access to the traffic training also right inside of this software. And that's my bonus number 1. Now, bonus number 2 allows you to drive traffic using other people's video. Mavin allows you to drive traffic using other people's written content, but you are going to be getting access to cloud-based software that allows you to drive content using other people's video. Now you can literally place any link on these videos. You are going to be getting access to done for you resources, including call to actions, buttons, and stuff like that. You can upload images, make them show up on these videos, you can actually add opt-in forms on these videos, make them show up at the beginning of these videos or at any point during the playback of this video. So this allows you to literally hijack traffic from these videos without you having to create any content at all, which is cool. So you're going to be getting access to these as my bonus number 2. Also, bonus number 3, for you to get started, now I'm giving you the same advantage that super affiliates have. Now this can actually make you money within the first 12 to 24 hours. Now you're going to be getting access to my own list of 800 plus active and responsive subscribers. And not only that, you're going to be getting access to autoresponder software that you can actually use to manage and mail this list with any offers. And you are going to be getting access to this as my bonus number 3. Now, bonus number 4, you're going to be getting access to another cloud-based software that allows you to make money with affiliate marketing. Now, this gives you access to done for you affiliate marketing squeeze page templates that you can use just by adding your own affiliate link. And this comes with free traffic. You can actually send free traffic directly to these squeeze pages. Now, people will need to give you their email addresses to get redirected to your affiliate links or any lead magnets you are giving away at the other side. Now, you are going to be able to create curiosity on these squeeze pages, and this would actually make people give you their email addresses. Now, this is useful for you if you are doing affiliate marketing, or if you are, giving away any lead magnet to ultimately build your list. Now, you're going to be getting access to this cloud-based software. You're going to be getting access to done for you lead magnet and training that shows you how to make money using this software, starting from within the first 24 hours of laying your hands on this cloud-based software. Also, bonus number 5, you're going to be getting access to 2,000 plus HD royalty-free images that you can actually go and use in Mavin, which are actually proven to drive you traffic, to get attention, and to give you the best conversions possible on the articles you're going to be able to create with Mavin. Also, bonus number 6, you're going to be getting access to a premium training that actually shows you the rudiments, the basics, and ultimately how to make money with blogging. The advantage you have now is you have Mavin now. You don't even have to sit down to write this yourself. But how do you actually profit with this? How do you make money with blogging? You are going to find out how to do that in this premium training that I'm going to be giving to you as bonus number 6. Now, bonus number 7, you're going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses in addition to my own bonuses also. Now, what you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page. If you click on any of these red buttons, it's actually going to take you to the sales page of Mavin, where you're going to be able to pick up Mavin and where you're going to be getting full information about the cloud-based software. Now, all these bonuses are going to be available for you inside the members area of Warrior Plus. Once you go to my purchases, you'll find Mavin, and then you'll find my own bonuses right next to Mavin. So let's go back to the sales page. Here it says, struggling with website traffic, frustrated with push button traffic software that promise the world but never deliver. This revolutionary AI cloud app generates traffic and sales in only 47 seconds by legally stealing trending news sites, other people's blog, and authority sites. No BS, no push button, no website required. Watch the 1 minute or so. Come and check out this video right here on this sales page. This is simple, easy, and works quickly through 47 second software, 100% newbie friendly. Yes, this is completely newbie friendly because I believe anybody can actually use this and make money with this. So feel free to come check out the sales page in your own time, anytime from 11 a.m. 27th of October, once this goes live, to get more information and for you to be able to pick up Mavin. So right now I'm going to show you the pricing, and then I'm going to let you see exactly how Mavin works. So the front end of Mavin that gives you the opportunity to get all my bonuses goes for a one-time fee of $22. Now there are going to be some optional upgrades, but they are totally optional. You are going to be shown the OTO1, which is the unlimited version that goes for $47. OTO2 is $297. OTO3 is the pro version that goes for $47. The OTO2 is the done for you version. Now all the upgrades you are going to discover are actually optional. Even if all you get is just the front end, you still get access to all my custom bonuses. So that's going to be my review of Mavin. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Right now, you're going to see the full demo of Mavin.
Hey, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to Mavin app, and let's snatch some authority content and traffic. First, this is the login page and use these boxes to log in. You are in. Super awesome. Now everybody is talking about iPhone 13, its battery, its cameras. We want to review it, but we don't have time for it. So we found some authority blog. We want to hijack it. All you have to do is to copy this URL, click this add blog button and paste this URL and click create. Boom, your content is ready. The images are ready. You can change them from here, do some formatting in this text editor and add your links using this box. Let's open in a new window and click save. Add another bold, italic and link if you want, or as many as you want because you want more links. Maybe you want to make it bold and italic and that's it. Click save. Oh yes, you have to add a blog title. Done. Click save. Yes. Now the magical part. The authority content is hijacked, but it's a hijacked content. You want to make it yours and you want to make it unique. That's where this spin block content button comes in. Just one click and the content is rewritten to the highest quality, just like a human written content. Go click save. Boom. Now you want to add some more images. Yeah, that makes sense. Click anywhere. Click this image button. Use any of these options. Let's say use Pixabay. Use your search term, searched and found, and you want to choose this. Click. Your image is added. Super cool, right? Now you want to add more. Just one click and add more. Now you may want to add a video. All you need is the embed code of a video. Click anywhere you want to add, click the video button and paste the video embed code. Click add, and your video is added. Wow, super cool, right? Click save. Fill all this information, add your name, add description, anchor text and category and hit publish now. Boom, your blog post is ready. Your authority blog post is ready. Click view and it opens. Wow, that's so awesome. Ready to make money for you. Is this your link? Open link in new window. Yes. So what you waiting for? Go grab your Mavin access right now and hijack traffic from authority sites. Go do it.